Okay, so we are going to learn how to create an Outlook bookmark so that it's easy for you to use. There are several ways to do this. I am only showing you one. If you have a favorite way or you find a better way, feel free to use it. We're going to click on Chrome here, and that will open up. Now, you may already have it right here where it says Mail. That's great. If you do, that is your Outlook. If you don't, we're going to come up here to this folder here. We're going to click that folder. We're going to come down to Office 365. That will open up this page here. We want to come down here. You're going to click on Apps. Now you can, this is not my preferred way, but you can click on these three dots and choose Pen, and it will show up here. But that still means you have to click this folder and then click Office 365 and then come down here to Outlook. But it is an option for you. I am going to remove that. I'm going to click on Outlook, which will open up my Outlook for me. And then I want to create a bookmark. You create a bookmark by using this star here. So I'm just going to click that. And then I get to name it what I want. So you can name it whatever you want to call your email program. You can call it Outlook, you can call it Email. I'm just going to call it Mail for now. It does not matter which folder. I'm just going to keep it the default bookmarks bar, and I'm going to click Done. So now you can see I have a bookmark here. So now you should technically have two ways that you can check easily for Outlook. And remember that for teachers, we want you to use Outlook. We want you to email us through Outlook, not through Canvas. So when you open Google Chrome, let me do that again. When you open Google Chrome, you should have a shortcut right here, and you can just click on that. Or after we've run through our steps, you should also have one up here. So possibly you've gone to Canvas and now you're away from the Google homepage. So you could still access your mail by clicking here. That's all. Adios.